In this video, I will show you how to export your PSD file to PDF and restrict people from copy or editing of that particular PDF file with a PDF security settings in Adobe Photoshop without any stress. Let me show you how. Like for instance, this particular PSD file, I'm going to use it as an example. This is a raw design in PSD file. So I want to quickly export this particular file into a PDF file that restrict people from copy and edit. How do we do that? What you need to do is to simply come to the top right here, proceed to File, then go ahead and look for Automate, go to PDF Presentation, then go ahead and click on Add Open File. So here I have about 2 files right here. However, it's only one file I want to use as this particular text and copy restricted is concerned. So I'm going to select this file. I'm going to remove it. So we have only this Zoom app PSD file. Now, next thing we want to do is to make sure multi-page document is checked. Then you want to make sure you click on Save right here. And this is going to pump up. Go ahead and title the name of your design. So PSD to PDF restrict copying and editing, just like so. And the next thing we want to do is to go ahead and simply click on Save right here. And this is going to pump up. At this point here, you have to make sure you navigate to Security. Under the Security, come down below right here. Click on Use a password to restrict printing, editing, and other tasks. Click on here. And the next thing you want to do is to go ahead and enter the password. So I'm going to simply enter the lock password. Once you enter the lock password, then enable copying of text, images, and other content. Make sure you check this. Once you check this, it simply means that anyone that have access to this PDF, they will not be able to copy text, images, or any content in that particular PDF. This is a kind of document security that you can use right now to protect your file in PDF, in PSD. Lastly, click on Save PDF. Then go ahead and enter your password right here. Lastly, go ahead and hit on OK, and you are done. Allow the file to save completely. Boom, the file has been saved. Next thing you want to do is to locate where you have the file. So I have the file in my document folder right here. So this is the file right here. So if I try to open this particular file, it's going to ask for the password. Even if you enter the password, you will not be able to copy anything from the PDF, just like so. The same thing, if you try to open the PDF file in the PSD, it's not going to open. Let's check it out. So I'm going to drag this PDF right here into my PSD file. You can see, please enter the document permission password to remove restriction. It's that simple. For more useful tutorial, tips and tricks on how best to use Photoshop, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.